We picked up this TV wall mount off of Amazon. We are going to be installing it on a tiny home wall right here. Let's do it. This kit comes with these two brackets here that you put on the back of the TV, this wall mount piece here, a manual, and this assortment of hardware to get this thing mounted. All right, I got it mounted up on the wall. This little just bubble level here that it comes in the package, and you can slide it into one of the slots on there. This thing really came in handy because it was really hard to tell if this was level, especially just eyeing it, and I didn't have a level on hand. So cool that it came with this. I was able to get it nice and level. Once you get this thing put on the wall, you know, of course you need to put it in studs because it's going to have to hold the weight of the TV. And this isn't perfectly centered in between these two cabinets and everything where we want it. So when the TV goes on it, it's going to have to move to the right a little. But they give you enough room here to get this thing on a stud so you can move the TV wherever you want. So I'll show you what I mean by that when I get it on. This is how I mounted the brackets on the back of this TV. I actually liked on this TV how they're pretty close together because that's going to give a lot of adjustment left and right to put it on that mount. So, and then it's got these things here. If you need to take it off, you just pull these down and it lets you pull the TV away from the wall and then lift it off. And the same way putting it on, you just set it into the grooves up there and then you pull these things on the bottom and it snaps into place. This is what I meant between the two cabinets where we're mounting this. This is a little tiny home that we have at our property. And this is going to be a great place to put this. And now, even though this might not be equal to this right here, it's going to be able to slide back and forth on that mount to be able to get it nice and centered. I was able to get a tape measure and get this thing lined up nicely on the wall. I really do like this mount. It's inexpensive and does exactly what it needs to do. I hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.